Prenatal Daily Yoga Routine by Atmik Yoga. Let's learn a simple but effective pregnancy yoga routine which, when practiced daily, paves the way for an easy and natural labor. Stand straight with your legs hip distance apart. Feel connected with the earth. Connect your baby and your breath by placing the right hand on your belly and your left hand near your heart. Breathe normally. Feel both the heartbeats in sync with each other. With a gentle smile on your face, thank your baby and get yourself prepared for our practice. Slowly raise your arms above your head when you inhale and bring it down when you exhale. Connect your legs to the earth firmly, inhaling and exhaling along with the movement of your hands. Feel the stretch throughout your spine. Prenatal yoga helps the moms to be to deal with common pregnancy health ailments. Now slowly sit down in butterfly posture, keeping your soles touching each other. Start flapping your legs up and down from 50 until 70 counts. Breathe normally throughout the practice and do not hold your breath while performing prenatal yoga. If you feel the need after inhaling through your nose, exhale through your mouth. After flapping for several times, gently stretch your thighs by pressing them with your hands. This is a gentle warm up for the lower body and also an effective hip opener for pregnant women. Let's do some pelvic muscle rotations. Being in the butterfly posture, slowly start rotating in the clockwise direction. This opens up the hip muscles and warms up the lower back muscles. Rotate up to 5 times and repeat in the anti-clockwise direction. Let's start some spine flexation by seated cat and cow stretch. Inhale, open your chest and arch your spine. Lean forward. Exhale, hunch your spine at the back, touching your chin to chest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Repeat this practice from 5 to 10 counts. This practice encourages more blood supply to the pelvic and abdominal organs. Cat and cow stretch is always a savior from back pain. Now relax and sit comfortably, placing your right hand on your belly and left hand near your heart. Close your eyes. Listen to the sound of your heartbeat and of your little baby. Yoga helps in relaxation, which is most prominent for a healthy labor and pregnancy. So breathe in a way that feels relaxing to you. Listen to the sound of your body. One can practice Kegels during the seated posture. Now slowly come on all fours to perform cat and cow stretch. Your wrist should always be underneath your shoulders and legs hip width apart. Slowly inhale, arch your back and rise up. As you exhale, hunch your back, tucking your chin to the chest. Feel that when you inhale, your baby moves towards your spine, and when you exhale, baby moves down. The baby moves inside the water bag along with your movements. Inhale and exhale. Be gentle with your body. Inhale and exhale. This posture alleviates stress and back pain, which are most common during pregnancy. Repeat this from 1 to 2 minutes. Be gentle on your wrist. One can bend the elbow slightly if felt undue pressure on the wrist during the practice. This is an excellent movement to do during the early stages of labor as it helps with general pain management. Relax and sit in Vajrasana and get yourself prepared for the next practice. Prenatal yoga should be performed at your own pace, so do not hurry. Be gentle with your body. Slowly come on your knees. Inhale, raise your arms up above your head, and as you exhale, slowly sit on your legs. Again, inhale, raise up your body and your arms, and slowly exhale and come down. Inhale and exhale deeply. This exercise strengthens the legs, opens up the chest, and also increases blood circulation throughout the body. This practice can be done from 5 to 10 counts. Gate pose is our next asana. Come on all fours and slowly extend your left leg outside. Keeping your feet firm on the ground, inhale when you raise your left arm up and exhale when you bend down. Feel a soft twist in your hip. Inhale and raise up. Exhale and bend down. If you feel the need, keep exhaling through your mouth. This practice can be done from 5 to 10 counts on each side. Inhale and exhale. Let's repeat by switching the sides. During pregnancy, the water level in a woman's body increases, so be fluid and flow like a river. Feel the tight areas in your body getting relaxed and your body getting light when the practice progresses. Stay connected with your baby. Feel that your baby enjoys this practice by dancing in the fluid along with you. After completing 5 rounds, let's relax in child's pose. Come on all fours. Rest your body on your legs, your baby belly in between your widely opened legs. Bend your elbows and bring it down. Join your hands in Anjali Mudra and bring them above your head. Take relaxing breath in this child's pose. This relaxation regulates your lymphatic system. Now let's move on to the downward dog posture. From all fours, slowly raise your hips up, keeping your hands and feet firm on the ground. Slowly start pedaling the legs alternatively. Bend your knee and feel the stretch in the back of your thighs and in the calf muscles. This exercise helps in relieving from swollen legs and feet, which is also a common ailment in pregnant women. Great stretch. Now walk your hands slowly towards your leg and roll back into a standing posture. Take your time and use your hands for support whenever needed. It's time to relax once again. Connect your body and baby by placing the right hand on your belly and the left one near your heart. Take deep breaths in a relaxed way. Keep that smile on your face as you are constantly connected with your little one within you. Let all the muscles relax and the fresh energy get circulated throughout the body. Moving into squats. Make sure the legs are wider than the hip. Inhale, keeping your hands in Anjali Mudra, and exhale to squat down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, bringing your hips down towards the ground. Squat tones the inner thighs and pelvic muscles, and this is a must during pregnancy. The count of squats can be increased gradually throughout the pregnancy. Keep going. Let's start our warrior sequence. Step your right foot back with enough distance, ensuring stability. Slightly bend the left knee and hold your hands parallel to the ground. Now slowly move your arms up and stay in the posture for a while. Slowly bend back and keep your left hand on your left leg and stay in reverse warrior for few more seconds. Return back to the initial position. Let's now switch sides. The legs are fired up with lots of strength in this sequence, thus ensuring proper circulation throughout the lower body. Your center of gravity changes when the baby belly grows in size. So do not move beyond your range of comfortable movements. Always be careful and stabilize yourself in the given posture. While performing the prenatal yoga, women releases any fear or doubt on their body and improve their mental and physical strength. That's a lovely sequence. Let's practice cat and cow one more time. It's the best posture for your spine. As you inhale, look up, chest opens. Exhale and bend down. Opening the heart, chest, and throat, inhaling up and exhaling. Rejuvenating your spine and back muscles. Now we are going to practice the tiger pose. We will do two variations and one can choose whichever method they feel comfortable. Staying in all fours, inhale, raise your right leg up with an active foot and hold for a few seconds. If you feel to intensify your practice, try lifting the left arm along with your right leg and stay for a while. Exhale and stay in the pose for a while. Keep breathing normally when you hold any posture in prenatal yoga. This asana can be repeated for 5 to 10 counts and later on switch sides. Let's raise the left leg now. Engaging your leg and feet strengthens the back muscles and opens up the leg and hip joints. This asana stretches out the abdominal muscles, promoting digestion and avoids constipation in pregnant women. This also massages and relaxes the nerves specific to the lower back muscles. This is one specific posture that tones the vaginal passage and helps in an easy labor. Coming up again on your knees for side stretches. Inhale and exhale down to the other side. Inhale, raise your arm up near your ear and exhale and stretch down in the opposite side. Move fluidly, opening your intercostal muscles and stretching the sides of your hip. Releasing any tension in your hip and back muscles. Dancing like a tree. Good one. Side stretching poses lengthens the muscles between the ribs and pelvis, thus improving the ribcage mobility and so the expansiveness of the lungs. This avoids any breathing difficulties when the baby grows bigger. This prenatal yoga reduces heartburn and acidity during pregnancy. 2 more rounds and then let's relax one more time in child's pose. Rest your body on your legs, your baby belly in between your widely opened legs, your hands in Anjali Mudra above your head. Child's pose is a great restorative posture during your pregnancy. If needed, one can place a block underneath your forehead to allow more room for your baby. Very relaxing and grounding posture. Moving into seated wide-legged forward fold. Separate your legs as much as you feel comfortable. Try to place your hands in front of you and feel the stretch in your back and thigh muscles. In the beginner level, do not try to keep the elbow on the ground. This comes up with lots of practice and flexibility. Wide opening your legs and keeping your fingers on the floor is perfect for beginners. Your legs and feet are active and stretched completely. Relax and let's start our head to knee forward bend practice. Open up the left leg with the right leg crossed. Raise your right arm up and bend to the left side. Now raise your left arm up and bend towards the right side. Do this pulsating movement continuously for a minute. One can increase or decrease the speed of the movement according to their comfort zone. Let's now slowly switch the sides. Pregnancy increases the flexibility, so utilize it to enjoy the natural benefits of prenatal yoga. Prenatal yoga improves your sleep, reduces stress and anxiety, decreases lower back pain, nausea, headache, and shortness of breath. Always pay attention to your body and how you feel during the practice. Start slowly and increase your intensity gradually throughout the pregnancy. Practicing prenatal yoga every day for 15 to 20 minutes from the first trimester of your pregnancy provides the best health benefits for you and your baby. Finally, sit in a comfortable posture and relax. Connect with your body and your baby by placing your hands on your belly and on your heart. Take deep breaths and thank your baby once again for enjoying this prenatal yoga along with you. Shantiasana is a pleasant end to our prenatal yoga practice. Lying on the back is uncomfortable for pregnant women, so let's lie down on the sides, specifically the left side. The best sleeping position during pregnancy is on your left side. This increases the blood circulation to your baby, which carries all the nutrients essential for your little one's growth. One can keep a pillow in between the legs for added support. Stay in Shavasana as long as you want. Relax your body and mind. Thanks for watching. Commence your prenatal yoga practice after consulting with your gynecologist.